Alright, so for this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're going to do like a little cowboy hat. So let's get started. Let's delete this right here. And we're going to try to do something new. So let's go to lathe, curve, and do something like, yes, like that. Oh, let's do some editing. So not like that. All right. Let's do front, right? It's not. Something like that, and then just look nothing like it, but we'll mesh it out. So let's see if we can make this work. All right, so symmetry, we can do local. We're gonna move, right? Make sure symmetry's on. Okay, so something like this. So make sure symmetry's on for, I guess, the C-axis as well. So, all right, well, okay, it's looking a little better. Then what we can do is do clay, subtract. Oh, make sure it's just the x-axis for this. Oh, subtract, forgot to push the button. Cool. Huh. That looks terrible, but alright. Then we move this a little more forward like that. Oh. Same thing here. We should turn see symmetry for that one on. Increase radius. And let's try to smooth this out. No. Z-axis. Cowboy hat, I guess. Let's pull this. Oh, drag this. Decrease the radius. Maybe add some clay instead. Okay, a little better. try to smooth this out. Let's voxel fix this. Let's do another voxel. See if we can salvage this somehow. But it ain't bad. See, it's almost fitting. All right, let's do some dragon here. Make the symmetry C as well. All right. Okay. Drag. Oh, symmetry. Front. That's not terrible. Could have been done better? Absolutely. And that's what practice is for. But we get a terrible looking hat, and hopefully someone likes that. And we're good. All right. Thank you for watching. Worst case is we can also make this into like that Harry Potter Muggle hat. Just takes a little bit of moving this up here from here to here, but that is entirely up to you. But here is the hat. It is the best looking hat I can do right now. So best of luck. I'm just joking. We'll have to redo this again. But if you like this model, go for it. And we'll see what we can do. Let me UV unwrap it for you. But thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something, at least maybe a faster way to use the lathe to make a hat. And maybe you can learn from my mistakes instead. Cool. All right, and there it is. Model will be up online, and thank you very much for watching.